Alright, what's going on? Burblife back with another video. So I already had this whole video done, edited and all that, but I ended up deleting video clips and all that, so now I gotta redo a lot of it. I still have some video clips, you'll see those and stuff like that, but I went up to Salt Lake to go look at a truck, and I did end up buying it, which I think you'll see in the thumbnail. But I'm gonna play all the video clips I have first. I'm gonna get through all that, and then I'll come back right after.
Just slapped myself. But yeah.
Boom. So you guys saw me get the truck on here. I ain't getting too close to it right now because there's a bunch of black, yellow jackets. Like there's one right here. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Another one right there. It's an alright truck. For the price, it's alright. But without getting too close, because this is where the wasp nest, whatever is. I got a motor back here and stuff like that. I gotta sell, get rid of, or whatever. Figure all that out. It's got little like dings there, here and there. It's got an axle dump. But the main issue, I don't know if there's any of those yellow jackets. But the main issue, that's how they're. I gotta fix the exhaust. But let me go to the other side. So, there's one right there. So look at that. Let me see if I can get on. One sitting right there. When I was pulling it up, that one came right there, and I was, yeah. A little bit. The issue is back here. There's supposed to be like a spacer, spacing it out right there. So, I don't know where that bug went. On the where it goes in, you can see it's barely even in there. But, all right, I'm gonna get it all strapped up, and then I'll hit the road and all that. Catch you guys in a minute. On the block heater plug. Film as like if you wanna, like if you would watch it.
I don't know what it's leaking, but it's leaking something.
I'm hoping the wind, as we're driving, I'm hoping the wind kind of blows the bugs out.
Facts.
If you wanna, it's up to you if you want to get close, if you want to open the door from the side.
I actually kind of don't. Shit.
If you want to talk, you can.
Ain't too bad in here. Bring it the console. Some goodies in here. Hey, you need some extra Bluetooth? So you need some extra Bluetooth? It's a little dirty on the inside. Can't get too close, but still. Trying to do a power sound system in there.
This truck's going to need a real good cleaning.
Real good cleaning, inside and out, underneath. Need some new tires. Things cracked and bald. I'm on the drag strip. Just to pop them.
These are my drag radials, huh?
Yeah. Horsepower, baby.
They got 100,000 on the drag strip on them.
Right. Wee. Right, still getting her strapped down.
Honestly, the frame's really not, for a Salt Lake truck, the frame's not bad.
It ain't too bad. You can tell it's dirty, but...
Oh, it's underneath salt.
Yeah. Strap down.
At least I didn't have to winch it.
Yeah, I was actually shocked that you was able to drive it up.
I put it in full load just so, because I don't know.
Oh yeah, some extra grip and it'll go slow. Put the torque down. Some wires to figure out.
like 3 cans of oven cleaner.
Oven cleaner.
It's leaking water.
Is it? Yeah, that's all I'm wondering. It looked like water. Can't really see it on camera though. Not too much anyway. It sounds good too.
I didn't really get on it too much because
You wasn't trying to finish spinning that drive line out though.
Did you see the drive line actually spin, or was it?
I didn't know. I didn't get to see it spin.
Because you know when you break the rear diff, how like it clunks.
Yeah, trust me, I know.
That's what it felt like.
Oh, when you got to that spot over there?
Yeah, wherever like it clunked at.
Yeah.
That's what it felt like.
See, huh?
315, 7017s.
Yeah. I don't know why these lugs seem so small to me.
You can't see your exact lugs on your truck.
If I take off the cap, I can.
Oh, yeah, actually you can see it.
Yeah.
Right now.
I mean, yeah, and I just bought new spindles. I mean, well, wheel bearings, so I know what they look like. My lugs look bigger than that.
This is the reverse light right here.
Hang it down. It just look like 8 razor lugs, you know what I'm saying? It don't look like no truck lugs. She all strapped down now.
All that wiring is, I think,
For the toe?
yeah.
That's what I thought.
I
Look
can,
at that nest. They in there. I ain't trying to get too close, but
Is there a nest right there?
yeah, there's a nest in the tailgate handle. That's what. And it's all throughout. They in here too. Go knock on the side of it.
Oh, okay.
Make them mad.
Hoping the air pushes them away. But no, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I'm gonna fix it. Well, either way, I'm fixing it. If I want to sell it or even make videos, maybe do more. I don't know.
Yeah, what y'all think about this on paddles?
Maybe 4 paddles all the way around. But since you guys don't really comment what I should do with it. All right, so you saw the video clips. I got the truck right here. So I kind of remember what I said, but I didn't. The plan is to sell the truck because Suburban's at the shop. I'll put a actually I'm not. Suburban's at the shop right now getting the transmission fixed, and then you saw the I think I'll do it for this, but the diesel has number 2 cylinder misfire, which is no compression. I already checked that and all that. But I got the truck right here. I ended up already, let me switch. Me and my buddy, we already took the driveline out. It's kind of hard to see from this side, but I took the driveline out. I think the driveline's still in the bed. This is the old driveline right here. So this driveline's actually still good-ish besides the rubbing. I'm not reusing it, but I ain't touching that right now because it's dirty. But the splines are actually still good. And then I already looked in the transfer case, wherever it's at. I already looked in the transfer case. Those splines are fine. What ended up happening is the rear axle. This is like the wrong rear axle in the truck or something, because this is supposed to be on there. This is the nut we took off. This is the old thing that I took off, but you see there's little washers. They added those, which I don't know who added them or what, but I'm just fixing what I know. The whole bearing fell apart. This is the pinion bearing it's supposed to ride on. So the rear end is bad. That's what all the noises was, not the driveline. But yeah, so I'm going to sell this harmonic balancer for the axle. I got the new driveline over there. I'll still put that new driveline in. And then the other day I went and picked up this axle, which is correct for the truck. You see it's already got the harmonic balancer. And this whole thing just looks beefier than that one when you're actually underneath it. So what I'm thinking is the axle they put in it is out of a 1500 HD, not a 2500 like this one is. So now I got more work to do. I need to put this axle in the back of that truck, which another video coming soon. Yeah, so another video coming soon. I got to change the oil pressure sensor in it because it went out and it's starting to leak oil now. The coolant leak that you saw in part of it, coolant leak right here. From what I can tell so far, it's coming from the oil cooler because there's coolant that runs through it, obviously to cool the oil. It's somewhere underneath there. I took the truck to the car wash already, sprayed up underneath the best I could. And all that. This motor, it's an LB7 motor, but I'll figure it out with that later. But I need her to get it out of here so I can at least start doing more stuff to the truck. But yeah, the video was originally like almost 30 minutes until I accidentally deleted a lot of clips and all that to try to make storage space in my phone. iPhone problems. So that's probably gonna do it for this video. I don't know how long it's gonna be now, but you guys obviously know. But yeah, next video it'll probably might be about doing this whole truck, fixing the parts on it and putting the axle in and stuff. So like, subscribe, share. Plans to sell the truck, but only if I get how much I want for it. If not, I got no issue keeping it. So like, subscribe, share, do all that. Catch you guys in the next video.